Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Brian Kelly, and I am the owner of a program called Top Secret Wealth Plan. I made this quick video because I wanted to kind of introduce myself to you and let you know exactly what we can do for you. Basically, we have an opportunity where it'll allow you to earn $140 over and over and over again. It's sent directly to your doorstep or to your bank account, however you want to do it. So basically, we have an automated marketing system that does all the talking, selling, explaining for you. You don't have to do anything at all. All you have to do is mail out a postcard, just like the postcard at the bottom of this website, and that's all you really have to do. What happens is people go to take a look at a 20-minute video on YouTube, which explains everything about this program. Okay, once they do that, they're going to be very interested. And what's going to happen is they're going to pick up the phone and they're going to give me a call or a text. What's going to happen is I'm going to ask for their PIN number. They're going to give that PIN number to me. Then I will identify who gets the credit for the sale, basically. And then I answer all their questions. And then I direct them to send you $140. This can happen every day, every week, every month. It doesn't really matter. This is a very good program. We've been doing this for about 4 years now. I've had great success doing it. And I mean, it's pretty simple. It does not make any difference whether you have an experience at all. Most people who do this business and are successful have never made any money online or offline. This is something that you can definitely do. We have a postcard at the bottom of this page here that will show you exactly how you can do this. All you have to do is put a stamp on it and mail it. And that's basically it. Also, which is very, very important, most opportunities, they don't have the owner actually answering calls, taking calls, for their prospects. For me, I do that for my people. That's very simple. Most owners hide behind an email address. You never can get a hold of them. But the way this works here is people call me directly. Okay, if you have questions, you can call me directly. Your prospects call me directly, and the thing is, I get their PIN number, which identifies you, and then I have them send you the $140. Okay, I never ever touch your money. The money goes directly to you. Okay, so this is a really simple program, guys. Like I said, it's been in business for about 4 years now. We've had great success with it, and I just wanted to kind of introduce myself to you to let you know what this is all about. I know you can make some serious money with this, whether it's, $140 a day, a week, or a month, whatever. Those payments begin to add up fairly quickly, and, you can definitely do some damage with this, okay? So, anyway, what I want you to do at this point is go back to briansmoneysecret.com, okay? And just follow steps 1 through 3. Make sure you watch the YouTube video, a couple of times to get a full understanding of it. And of course, if you have questions, I have my personal cell phone number on the page. You can always give me a call. I'll help you out as best I can. We have everything in place. We have like I said, we have a great marketing system. We have postcards. We have mailing lists. We have everything in place. So once you get started, you can kind of hit the ground running and you can start making money right away. So hey, this is a great opportunity. People are looking for an opportunity to make some money. It's very affordable. This is a one-time $150. Okay, that's it. I don't ever ask for any more than that. Out of 150, you are going to make $140 for every sale that I make for you. Again, we have a automated marketing system that does all the talking, explaining, and selling for you, so you don't have to do that. People call me, I answer their questions, I close the sale on your behalf, I have them send you the money directly. It's a really good system, guys. I want you to go ahead and move forward, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.